Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing in makeup. Yes, you heard me right. Curlsmith sent me their newest color recipe line, which is basically colored hair gel. They sent me a wide range of colors, and so I wasn't sure which one to do for this video. And it's sponsored. So I decided to just do them all. So basically I blocked out the whole day. I'm gonna be experimenting with every single color. I know I'm gonna be looking like a walking crayon, but so about the color recipe line is basically just for fun use. It's light, it's easy to use, it's not damaging to the hair according to packaging, according to Curlsmith. So we're gonna be testing all this out. I'm going to be formulating my own opinion. This is basically gonna be like a first impression sort of video. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you guys like the video, subscribe, because you know you'll be back to watching the video anyways. So yes, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. So starting out of the shower, Curlsmith suggests that we start on freshly cleansed and clarified hair. My hair isn't necessarily dirty, but for the purposes of this video, I will be using their Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo. It's basically a gentle a gentle clarifying shampoo. Some of the hand-picked ingredients include lemon peel oil, dandelion petals, goldenrod extract, lemon, citric acid, and squeezed pineapple. And I can attest to all of this because you can literally smell it in the product. But anyways, the shampoo smells really fruity, as you can see. I'm just working a generous amount through my hair, starting at my roots, then working my way down. It's gentle enough to actually smooth through the hair without, you know, tugging and pulling and snagging and tangles and all that. The shampoo is good for all hair types, and it is color safe as well. So despite this shampoo being formulated for color treated hair, I will say this is probably a shampoo that I will be using frequently, just because it is a gentle clarifying shampoo. And frankly, I actually hate clarifying my hair. I still do it, it's just I hate the pine straw feeling my hair has. But with this, my hair, it still retains much of its natural oils and moisture. My hair is just very clean, and so I really like that with the shampoo. So following up with the glow perfecting conditioner, a few noteworthy ingredients is watermelon seed, shea butter mash, wild strawberry. So this is basically good for enhancing your color. It's good for detangling, smoothing your hair, vibrancy, and shine. So as far as this, left my hair feeling very soft. The slip, it wasn't really the best. I'm not saying it was trash, but just in comparison to the other Curlsmith conditioners I've used, this one, I'd have to say it's like a 7, honestly. It's good, but I've used better from the Curlsmith line at least. However, just like the shampoo, it smells amazing. It smells like strawberries, y'all. Like, y'all don't know how much I love fruity smells. I'm just not ashamed to admit that, okay? So I apply it thoroughly throughout my whole head, and then I just leave it in for about the duration of my shower. I think on the back it said leave it in for about 1 to 3 minutes, but I do like to leave it in just a little bit longer just because my hair isn't necessarily that porous anymore, so I like to make sure the conditioner is thoroughly penetrated into my hair cuticle. And so one of the ways that I do that is I basically just let the conditioner immerse into my hair, and I allow the steam from the shower to basically open up the cuticle of my hair and soften up the hair just a little bit so that the conditioner can further penetrate into my hair, allowing deeper moisture. So despite not using a deep conditioner, my hair was left feeling very soft, hydrated, moisturized. I had curl definition with no curl products in it, so take that as you will. I'm starting out with small sections, and I'm going to be using the turquoise hair makeup first. So for the first application, I'm basically just going to use this as is. As you can see, it is a curl styling gel, and I'm taking a little bit and I'm just testing it on this section, and as you can see, it is very pigmented. I was not necessarily expecting that, but we're gonna work with it. I think my hair was a little too dry for the first application. However, what I noticed with these products is the drier your hair is, the more vibrant the color is. The color is going to be vibrant regardless, and you will see that later on in the video, but I think the drier it is, the easier it is for the hair gel to cling onto your hair. So I do not have anything up underneath this gel. However, I kind of wish I did just because my roots were a little frizzy. But as you can see, I let the color air dry. It only took about 15-20 minutes for this to air dry, guys. Like, this stuff dries so quick. It it does leave a cast, and I will say no matter what it is, I do not like when my hair feels like there's a cast on it. I do not like when it feels like I use gel on my hair. I just don't. I feel like I need my hair to be moisturized for it to look its best. My curls definitely did hold definition. There was a little bit of fallout. However, that basically went away as my hair dried later on. So the good thing about these products is it's literally the same concept of makeup. You just wash it right out. I literally just rinsed it out and it all came out. Did not stain my hands whatsoever. It did not stain my sink whatsoever. So for the second time, I'm actually going to be using a little bit of the weightless air dry cream from Curlsmith just to give my hair a little barrier. Add a little bit of extra moisture, add a little bit of extra definition. But for this, what I noticed is with the red, it was not as vibrant as the blue just because I had that styling product up underneath it. So, and I was kind of expecting that. I did see another influencer mix colors together, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. And I kind of wanted like an ombre effect. I wanted dark red roots, and then I wanted like really, really light rose gold pink tips. I ended up just fucking mixing the colors midway through just because I kind of had a gist as to how the color would look, so I was trying to get a little creative. So I did add one little last scrunch to my ends just to give it a little bit more dimension, and I followed the same steps. I let my hair air dry, and then I did stretch it out. There was hardly any red just because I feel like it was not able to fully absorb into the hair just because I did have that styling product up underneath it. But once I tacked on the rose gold on top, the color did still turn out really good. My curls definitely look much better for the second application after putting styling product up underneath it. So for the third time, I really just wanted to experiment. We all know how the product works, so I just wanted to add a little twist to this. So what I'm doing is adding more of the air dry weightless cream, and I'm just going to be brushing the top of my hair back. And then y'all know me, I'm gonna be taking two little curls out in the front, okay? I'm taking copper, which is very vibrant, and I was kind of going for almost like a brassy honey blonde look, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. I did not want the copper on its own, even though the color, it looked fire, as you can see. It was very bright. I almost looked like a walking highlighter, so I just went ahead and put that on first just to see how that would look. So next, I'm just taking little sections out of my puff at the top. I'm taking more styling product just to bring the curls back to life. And then I'm going to go in with the last color, which is gold. And so gold, it basically showed up as yellow in my hair, and I was not liking the way that was looking. So at this point, that's when I knew I was going to, you know, just play with the colors until I found the I guess the right shade of what I was looking for. I ended up mixing the two colors, copper and gold. And then I'm taking just a little bit of excess product and I'm scrunching that into my ends. And so what I'm also doing is taking my ends and I'm basically finger coiling them, but I'm more so doing this just to smooth the color in to make it blend a little bit better. And this is what the color looks like in direct sunlight. I felt like direct sunlight was a little too harsh, but you can see I guess the color that I was able to create. So here's what the color looks like in more diffused light. And I was very, very happy with not only the way my hair felt, but with the colors. So honestly, this was a very fun video to do. The colors, it was easy to use, easy to rinse out. There was no staining. And the best part about it is there was literally no damage, you guys. So we've come to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, shout out to Curlsmith for sponsoring this video for you, boy. And let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wow, I have paint literally all over my hands, but whatever. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.